Hello guys, today I'm going to explore about Magento 2 event and observer. My name is Shubham Singh. So please let's start. Before going to the practical example of event and observer, we have to first understand what exactly event and observer. So event is nothing just like when I'm clicking here, when I'm just clicking here on the icon, when I'm just clicking on the subscribe button, anywhere means event is just like action. So that on behalf of this kind of action, our observer will listen each and every action. Just like event is nothing but just I'm clicking on this particular link, when I'm just clicking on that, and when I'm click on that and navigate from one page to another page, this thing is also just like a event. So in each and every event, on behalf of action, our observer will listen, and on behalf of that we can implement whatever we want. So in Magento 2, so many core events are there, just like when I'm clicking on add to cart button, when I will click on proceed to checkout button. So all these are core event, uh, all as defined in a vendor file. So as per our requirement, we can also create some custom event, so that exactly, I mean, what is the exact our requirement, so that as per our requirement we can create our own custom event, and we can listen everything on behalf of observer. So just take the simple example. I have already created a one lorem 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 product. So having price is $25. When I'm clicking on add to cart button, so on cart, on mini cart page, here it should be showed $25, but here it is showing instead of that 101. So how it is possible? It is possible on behalf of events, so that we can just uh, extend the default functionality of the Magento on behalf of that. Just when I will click on the add to cart, so how everything is possible, so that we can see I have created a one module. This is a company name, and inside that practice, this is a module name I have created. So for creating any custom module, at least two file will be necessary, like registration.php, and inside the and etc folder, and inside that module.xml file should be necessary. So I have created an event for a front end, so that I have created event.xml file inside the front end folder. So just open that file. Yes, this is the XML file, and inside the config event name. This is a much more important. This exact event is triggered when I'm clicking on add to cart, and this event is defined inside the vendor Magento module checkout model, inside the model folder cart.php page. Yes, it is defining here. So this is dispatching on behalf of that. So this is, so inside the event we have to define observer tag having name attribute and instance is nothing but where we want to implement our what exactly we want. So this is a explore practice observer product change. So this is a change.php page. So this is exactly, this is namespace explore practice observer product, where we have defined here Magento framework event observer interface and observer. These two files are very most important file for when we have created, when we will creating any event. So inside that we are just getting the observer on behalf of when I trigger any event, and this is nothing but quote item get data on behalf of that. So here we have mentioned the some custom event, custom price. We are just defining 101 here. So we are just set all these event on behalf of that. So just like that, it is changing here on our front end. So it is working just like that.